Kate here at WTI, and if you also have extremely tall ceilings and you're struggling to keep things clean, this extension pole from DOBEN has blown me away. It is seriously so much better than I could have imagined. It has a 30-foot reach. Now, I don't need nearly that length, but if you do, this is such a good option. I only had to use 2 of the extensions. I had 3 left. So I can't even imagine how high it goes. It comes with all kinds of attachments for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. There's a stiff bristle duster, and that is great for removing cobwebs, getting in those corners on those high spots. It also comes with one that is nice and soft but bendable. So I love this for my fan that I would never ever be able to clean, but because it bends, it'll glide right along the top of it and I can get that dust off. You can also use it, of course, just by hand, so great for all sorts of cleaning. You have the fluffy duster as well, and then you have a window cleaning attachment. So the one side has a removable rag, so you can put whatever water and cleaning solution you want, and then you can reach even the highest windows outside. The opposite side has a squeegee. The pole itself is so sturdy. I was expecting something flimsy, and this is not it at all. I'm really impressed with how solid it is. It's a really sturdy pole, and even when it's extended, you feel like you have full control. It's not bending or swaying. The pole itself comes in a nice sleeve, so you can keep yourself organized. I am so impressed with this duster pole, and I think you will be thrilled too. It really makes a difference when you have to clean with high ceilings or hard to reach spots, and that's my point of view.